Hello guys, welcome to my very first straight No Limit to Drag Racing video. And today we have made the ultimate ET Street build. Because why not? And it's my only car. I'm broke, bruh. Anyways, if you run under a 6.4, you're safe. If not, well, that's sad, because that means you're getting beat by a truck on ET streets. And if you're getting beat by a truck on ET streets, well then, you probably need to get somebody to tune your freaking car, bro. Okay, honestly though, seriously, I'll show you my tune for this truck. It's pretty good. I wouldn't recommend it for people who aren't already very good with shifting because of the amount of wheel spin it gets. Anyways, let's cut to the tune. Of course, everything in here and here is maxed out. It don't matter, you can use the blower or Pro Charger. The turbo, I'm pretty sure it makes just a little bit less power. I know it makes less torque, that's for sure. Transmission, max it, you know. Suspension, honestly, I didn't even mess with it. There's not a single upgrade on mine. Anyways, frame, of course you're going to do your weight reduction. Weight transfer, you're going to need this for the truck. Roll cage, I don't even know why I still have it in it, but like, you can do whatever you want. I mean, this truck is pretty unstable, but I'm not sure how much it helps. So whatever. And tires, of course, you're going to have the ET Streets. And try to squeeze as much grip out of it as you can. And now, computer. Don't touch it. To the fine tuning, you're going to go to transmission. Sorry about background noises if there are any. You're going to go to transmission. It should top 245. That's all you need at the top. Just copy down this. I'll give you a second to copy it. Okay, hopefully either that gave you enough time to pause and get it down, whatever. I used to struggle with that when I tried to copy tunes. Anyways, weight-wise, for online, you're gonna go 0.40. And for the prep drag racing on like multiplayer or a career, you're gonna go 5.9. That's gonna give you as much grip as you can without it popping the biggest wheelie physically possible. Anyways, for now we're gonna do a bit of online racing. I will show you some I had the name a second ago. Prep racing. Suspension, honestly, it doesn't matter what you do with it. Like I said, I haven't done crap to it. It doesn't have a wheelie bar. Yeah, that's about it. I would run a dyno, but, how much does it cost? 20 runs, 100 gold. I'll think about it. I might do it at the end of the video. I'll think about it as it goes on. Anyways, that's it for that. Now we're gonna go over and do some friggin' online racing. See who we can disappoint, or honestly, they're probably beginners, so I'm not knocking them. Loading. All right, we're in. Yep. Why is your name that, bro? I actually know both of these guys. I was just racing. Is it really all? Okay. If you don't beat me, something's wrong. I'll race him, I guess. Whoever. Bam. Yeah, I think he was a beginner, or he just kind of stinks. Yeah, see, 6.406. If you run under that, you're safe. Anything else, you're disappointed. wants to. Anyways, is that a pro mod? Or I'm gonna race it. I'm gonna race it. Race it pro mod. But okay, whatever. Oh no. Okay, yep. Yeah, this guy. I think he's safe. And I'm stuck inside. Okay, that was okay. I'm never saved that. Even while I was glitched inside of somebody, I still ran a 9-second. Thank you. I guess that's alright. It's fun drifting that much. When it drifts, I get sideways. Dang. I'm actually not fully done with this tune. I haven't learned how far back I can go with the weight without it doing a wheelie. Well, in online at least. But we're gonna go back and show you some regular racing. Alright, I put the tune back on. Now we are going to go to career, see whatever I can. Something. Okay, yep. Now we are going to humiliate some AI, most likely. Yes, sir. That's pretty good. I'm telling you, it burns out, bro. Yeah, on here, the best you can really run is a 3.6. So, like, it's not that impressive. The only reason I made this build is for this simple reason. You ready for this? I'm going to tune the weight all the way up. And this is all the way down. Right? So now if I go put my slicks on it, watch this. You know, this should be fine, you know? This nothing should go wrong here, right? No, I'm so disappointed, but it makes such a good ET. So, like, I'm not even that mad. Oh, now you're not gonna do it? Just because it's... Really? Really? You're kidding me. Oh, that was an 1/8 mile. Okay, hold up. I'm gonna find a 1/4 mile real quick and show you that. Okay, I found a full 1/4 mile. Any other time, it just held a wheelie. That time, I think I just got lucky. Somehow. But, I'm not mad. Or, not that mad. Like, I don't even know how it just glitched back down, but whatever. That's besides the point. Anyways, got a full tree. There it is. That's what I was looking for. I don't get it. And I've had bad experiences with wheelie bars. I don't know why, but they never work for me. Oh, this is a pretty good game too. But like, I'm not sponsored. So, yeah. Anyways. But yeah, I've just been trying to figure out how I can get it so where. Anyways. Yeah, we're gonna. But yeah, I'll fiddle with it some more. Try and do something. Like, part of the reason I don't want a wheelie bar is because of how stupid expensive it is. Like, why does it cost 8? You know what? Forget it. I'm gonna just buy it. The 2-bar, duh. If you don't get a 2-bar, well, then you're stupid. Kidding. Well, am I, though? Most likely. Oh, now I have to upgrade. Okay. Yep. So, should I... Oh, wrong button. Oh! I'm gonna go 0.9. It's not touching the ground, but it's not... Actually, no, that feels like a bad idea. I'm gonna go right about there. Now, let's see how bad this is. Down a bit, you know, physics. But honestly, this truck is probably better off a 18. Could I push it out? Come on! Oh, I missed the shift. I'm stupid. Oh. Well, that was I mean, that was better than it was last time, that's for sure. I'm going to do one more, and that'll be it for this video.